Hi everyone, so here's a video with instructions on how to complete your homework assignment for this weekend. As you can see, I'm on our English 101 Canvas page. So what you're going to do next is click on Perusal on the left here. And once you click on it, it's going to take you to perhaps a login page, so you might have to sign up. But I'm already logged in, so it takes me to the main home page here. And so you'll see that there are two assignments listed for you to do. And what it is really is I would like for you to read the two op-eds and annotate online. And you can kind of like basically a whole class will collaborate on one handout. So you'll see the instructions on the right side of the screen. I would like for you to annotate the text. And highlight and then provide your thoughtful reflection on at least two sections of the text. And by sections, that can mean one sentence, two sentences if they go together, or more. A thoughtful reflection can be a critique of what the author states, including your reasons, explanation, and/or examples for your critique. So basically, you are challenging the author, but you have to provide supporting information in your challenge. Or if you agree with the author, you can provide reasons and examples for why you feel this way. And you can draw from personal experience as well if you want to have that be an example. Each annotation should contain at least 3 solid sentences. And so I'm looking for something that's thoughtful and substantive. If you write a sentence that says, I agree with him, exclamation mark, well, that's not really substantive. Like there's not much there other than, what that you agree with the person. So make sure to provide a thoughtful response. Okay, so how do you get to the document? Go ahead and click on the green button here, and you will be taken through a series of notes for what these buttons are on the page. I'm going to zip through really quickly, but I suggest that you read them so you're familiar. So yeah, all these things are explained to you, what they mean, what they are, and there we go, we're done. So you'll see that the article is front and centered. Okay, this article is about 4 pages long. So I suggest that you perhaps read the whole way through, perhaps take some notes on the side, and then once you're done and ready to comment, go ahead and click on this conversation bubble here, right? And then if you find a section that you feel like, hey, I want to comment, I want to annotate this, I want to say something about it, then go ahead and highlight it. So for the purposes of this example, I'm just going to highlight the first sentence. And you'll see a bubble automatically gets generated to the right. This is where you type your annotation. So please follow the guidelines I laid out in the instructions for your annotation. And once you're done, go ahead and click enter. And there you go. It's posted. It's right up here. Another option you have for annotating, for submitting a comment, you can also respond to each other's comments. So for example, if by the time you get to this document, like a lot of people have highlighted everywhere, every which way, and you feel like you don't have anything different to add to what that's already been commented in terms of the document, then you can just kind of respond to what other people have said. All right, and you can highlight the same text. Okay, so there are 2 documents for you. Why I'll Never Apologize is the originating one, and Dear Privileged is a response to Why I'll Never Apologize. If you don't know what white male privilege is or what privilege is, it's okay. The articles cover this pretty clearly, and you'll see what I mean when you read it. All right, so that's it. I hope you enjoy the articles. If you have any questions, please email me by Sunday at the latest so you can get this done. All right, I'll see you next week.